In a lush, verdant garden, where blooms of every hue graced the earth, lived a small, unassuming assassin bug, named Bertie, with a heart pure as the sun's rays. Bertie was known for his vibrant, iridescent wings, a sight to behold. But he was also known for his gentle nature, causing no harm to any soul. One day, Bertie found a caterpillar, a creature weak and all alone, lost and vulnerable, with no one to call its own. Bertie, with his kind heart, felt a pang of compassion, decided to help the caterpillar, offering it shelter from the sun. A few days passed, and the caterpillar grew stronger, its body plump and full. But one day, it transformed into a moth, with wings of silken, shimmering shroud. The moth, grateful for Bertie's help, asked, "Why did you aid me, when you could have feasted?" Bertie replied, "I didn't help for my own gain, but to lend a helping hand." The moth, though once a stranger, understood Bertie's wisdom with a gentle nod. "From now on, I'll spread your message, that kindness is a virtue to uphold. Through every stage of life, in every trial, lend a helping hand. And in doing so, make the world a better place, just like you, my friend." From that day forward, Bertie continued to live his life with grace, helping all creatures, big and small, with an open, loving embrace. He taught everyone, through his actions, that kindness is the best way to build a world where love and understanding find their perfect ballet. The moral of this tale is simple and clear, let it forever ring, that kindness, compassion, and love are the most precious things. In every action, in every deed, may this lesson forever stay. Kindness is the key to a better world, and the brightest path to lead the way.